Hey guys, welcome Fire Foods. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very easy and simple recipe for vegan peanut butter chocolate protein bars. So let me show you how to do it and let's make some fire foods. First, you will need one ripe banana. Start by mashing it using a fork until you achieve the same consistency. Now in a separate bowl, add 1 cup of peanut butter, add 1/4 cup of sugar-free maple syrup, and mix well. Then put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now all you have to do is to transfer everything into a bigger bowl. Now add half cup of blended oats, half cup of your favorite vegan protein powder, and mix well until you achieve the same consistency as shown here. Now on a baking tray with wax paper on top, add your mix and try to spread it as evenly as possible to make sure it has the same thickness for all protein bars. After you're done, set it aside. Now on a pan on medium heat, we're going to roast some hazelnuts. Keep moving them from time to time to make sure they don't burn. After they're done, set them aside to cool down, then place them in a blender, and don't blend all the way through, just to have some texture. Now I'm going to melt my chocolate, and for this I'm using vegan dark chocolate. Now transfer your chocolate into a bowl and look at how delicious that looks. Next step is to add your blended roasted hazelnuts and mix well. Now pour your chocolate on top of your mix, then spread it evenly to form a chocolate layer. Last step is to place it in the fridge for 2 hours. After you take it out from the fridge, you can cut it into medium-sized portion and it's ready to be served. If you're looking for a quick and easy recipe to fill your cravings, then try this recipe out. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Share this recipe with your friends and family and let me know in the comments below what other recipes you want to see next. And that's the end of the video guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like, subscribe and click the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.